So there was this phase where designers had this burning question, should I learn to code or not? And I've heard both the sides where some folks say that it is essential as part of designing, and there's another side which wants you to stay 100% focused on design. And honestly, that used to make sense when coding meant endless brackets, semicolons, and curly braces and thinking in JavaScript. Well, all that have changed with vibe coding. The script is completely changed, the rules have changed. Now coding as a designer can literally mean that writing in plain English. No more excuses. Like if you can map out your thoughts in a clear message, you can vibe code. So that's it. Coding is no longer reserved for those who can basically speak in those curly braces. Now it's for everyone. And trust me, this is not just for fun projects or side gigs. This is an absolute superpower when it comes to your work as well, right? I'm sure you might have come across a situation where you pour your heart and soul into a design, making it pixel perfect and getting those animations singing, and you take it to your dev and they just say one statement that is, yeah, this one's not possible. And well, if you're nodding, this is what I'm talking about. This is where vibe coding is going to be a mic drop moment where you just put in your design and put in plain English text what this idea is all about, and you see you have a proof of concept that's working. And trust me, nothing feels better than seeing a developer's jaw drop when you demo your own design as a solution, and that is the best moment, right? You have to experience it. Trust me, it's really great. Let me take you through a real example that I've come across, right? So a while ago I needed a simple teleprompter which was nothing fancy. It was just for me to read scripts on a bigger screen, right? And when I searched for tools for this particular problem, I came across some tools which are a couple of dollars, and it worked for me back then. So I just wanted to see if this is a simple thing that I can create in. So I just went to Figma Make. I literally just typed what I needed. So just create a teleprompter where I can paste my script, adjust the speed, change the font size, and also drag it anywhere on the screen. So that's it, plain simple English. And guys, this is what I ended up with just a couple of prompts. I tried to tweak some things. You just need to say in plain English and it's going to do it. I'll take you through a detailed video on how to do this, but here you can see the output, right? I can resize this to the size that I want, and apart from that I can play this and you can see that, right? I can increase the speed, reduce the speed, increase the font size, and all this with just a couple of prompts. You're able to do this. And this was a couple of dollars if I wanted to do like this a while ago, but now you can see that it is so easy to create this, and all you need to do is just describe what you need, your next idea, in a couple of words that you have, and that's it, it'll be done, right? And these are like Figma Make and Lovable. These are tools which are more like good for bringing in the proof of concept, but there are also other tools like Cursor, Replit and all, which are going to take this to a next level where you can scale this product and launch it on the market as well. So there are such tools as well, but you don't need to go to that level, right? I would suggest you try these tools like Figma Make, Lovable, and try to vibe code and see and explore this thing, right? Because the trends in the market are changing. You can't rely just on design anymore, right? So you can use these tools. You don't have to learn these overnight, but just try to experiment with it and watch what creative possibilities can come out of this, right? So the next time you hear designers can't code, remember, coding now is just communicating clearly and nothing more. Start small, get comfortable with using AI as your coding teammate, and don't try to use this to impress someone, but try to use this for your own growth, right? So learn just enough to debug and bring ideas to life, and that will be an amazing skill that you learn. Every time you come across a design that someone says not possible, do a quick vibe code POC, hand it off, and see, that will be the mic drop moment. So I'm curious, what is that one idea you would build yourself if tech wasn't on the way? So drop that in the comments below. I would love to read that, and we're gonna learn more about vibe coding. So this was just an intro video. We'll talk more about how to use Figma Make and all those other tools in the market out there. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.